Basahin natin ang Judges chapter 16 verse 4 to 6. And it came to pass afterward that he loved a woman in the valley of Zorek, whose name was Delilah. And the lords of the Philistines came up to her and said unto her, Entice him, and see wherein his great strength lieth, and whereby we may prevail against him, that we may bind him to afflict him, and we will give thee every one of us 1,100 pieces of silver. And Delilah said unto Samson, Tell me, I pray thee, wherein thy great strength lieth, and wherewith thou mightest be bound to afflict thee. Para din tayong si Samson, di ba? Ayaw nating makinig sa warning. Minsan, alam mong mali, pero tuloy ka pa din. Ang kasalanan, ganyan din eh. Nag-i-enjoy ka sa umpisa, pero kapahama ka ng dulo. Si Delilah nga, wala nang tinatago eh. Sabi niya kay Samson eh, paano ka ba gagapusin? No? Paano ka ba tatalunin? Kasi sobrang lakas mo. Pero si Samson, masyadong ma-pride. Akala niya, lagi siyang malakas. Kaya naging careless siya. Kapatid, alam ni Satan kung saan ka mahina at pwede niyang gamitin yun para wasakin ka. So, ano ba ang weakness mo? Bisyo ba yan? Sugal? Babae? Pera? Pride? Saan ka mahina? Sabi sa Bible, He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. And I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. My God, in Him I will trust. Manatili ka kapatid sa proteksyon at gabay ng Panginoon. And stay humble kapatid ko. So, yun lamang po. Sana po'y magkita po tayo muli sa ating pong susunod na Bible study. God bless.